Hello, so let me start with the implementation of lab 2 of visualization. There were three tasks, task 1, task 2, task 3. In the first task, I have to find the random sampling and the stratified sampling, and I have to use the k-mean clustering method to find the optimal k. So let's start with the implementation. So this is my Python code and this is my HTML code, and I have used Python as a backend and T3 for visualization. So this is the code where I find random sampling and then the find stratified sampling using k-mean clustering method. So let's print the k value to find what is the optimal value of k. Let's run this. So I found the k value as 3. So this was the first task. In the second task, I have to find the intrinsic dimensionality of the data using PCA method, and then I have to plot a scree plot. So for this method, first we have to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So here is the code where I compute eigenvector and eigenvalues, and we can use either correlation matrix or covariance matrix. Both will give us the same result. So here is the implementation. So let me refresh this. So this is the scree plot for both random and adaptive samples, and here I find that the k is 2. So the next task was to obtain the three attributes, the highest PCA loading. So these are the top three attributes for both random and adaptive sampling, and here is the name. G restriction sale real property. Second is C government enterprises, and third is impartial courts. In the third task, I have to visualize. I have to project the data for top two PCA vector via 2D plot, 2D scatter plot. And here is the code. Where I use PCA and component 2 and then fit transform. So this is the scatter plot for random, and this is the scatter plot for adaptive. And in the next task, I have to use MDS for both Euclidean and correlation distances, and I have to plot the scatter plot. And here is the implementation of that. This is MDS Euclidean for random, and this is MDS Euclidean for adaptive samples. And this is the MDS correlation distance for random, and this is MDS correlation for adaptive. In the last task, I have to plot a scatter plot matrix, and this is a scatter plot matrix for random samples, and this is for adaptive random samples, and this is for adaptive. So thank you, that's all.